Welcome back to my channel. I am Cher Allen with EXP Realty. And today, you guys, I'm going to show you a quick hack. I am in Canva. Now, I do have the pro account, so I don't think you can do this on the pro without having the pro account, but I want to show you a quick little hack that I just learned. Now, you guys may already know this, but I'm going to show you something that I just learned. I am in Canva. So you know how you want to use a background remover? I selected two photos and you want to remove the background of your photo and take this photo and stick it in a flyer or any type of advertising that you're doing for your real estate business. I just learned that, okay, we know that we can do this. This is fine, but you see that you have this photo back here, you know, this image back here that's still in the photo. So I learned that there is something new. I don't know if this is a new upgrade or I maybe just didn't know about it. The magic grab. Magic grab. I can grab any of these items and I'll show you guys. I can grab any of these items and I can select this item, photo, and stick it somewhere else. I don't want to say stick it somewhere else and move it to somewhere else. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Hold on. I'm going to make it bigger. Look at the difference. This is just me in a photo. I could have grabbed this. Let's grab something else. Let's grab these flowers. You guys, I've always wanted to learn Photoshop, but I wanted to learn, but I was like, I just don't have the energy. I can't learn anything else. But this is amazing. Canva is making it easy for us to be able, now this doesn't look as nice, so I probably wouldn't grab that. But me, I can grab me, or you can grab you in your photo. And I'm going to just stick this. I can put this anywhere. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. I can hang out on this desk. Let's see. You want it to make sense. I don't want my feet floating in the air. And you can grab any photo. You know, if you're trying to create a flyer for a listing, or if you're trying to create something to post on social media. Let me show you guys. I'm going to change the photo. Let's change it to another office. And look, I'm just hanging out I could hang out anywhere. I can hang out anywhere. So I think this is amazing. This photo is probably too bright. I would probably bring down the opacity, change the background to white. I'm not here to do all this, but this is a great way that we can, as we as agents, can use our photo that we have from a photo shoot, or if you want to remove the background, it looks much nicer than this. It's just you floating around anywhere. Okay, so you can stick this anywhere. I figured this out because I was making a thumbnail for my YouTube channel and I was trying to get the background out of a photo and it was just too much going on in the background. And I was like, let me just play around with it. So let me know down in the comments if you guys knew about this already. If you did not, hopefully I showed you something new, because I just found out just like 2 days ago. So thank you guys for watching. I told you I was going to keep this short and sweet. I'm Cher Allen with EXP Realty. I'm always here to help agents with their marketing, branding, social media. We are building beautiful brands for ourselves, for our business, for our real estate business, and not the brokers, unless you're the broker. Okay, so I will see you guys on the next video. And again, thank you for watching. Bye, you guys.